Hey, how's it going, folks? All Handmade here. Take a look at this really interesting device that I've stumbled upon in Lidl. Ultimate Speed Portable Cordless Air Compressor. The price is 35 euros and it's designed for pumping air into car tires, rubber toys, bicycle tires and so on. It has integrated LED torch, 2 charging adapters, some pumping accessories and a storage bag. As you can see, it can deliver air pressure up to 4.1 bars. It's powered by 4 500 mAh lithium iron phosphate batteries. And probably this is the main reason why this device is so expensive. Some facts about those batteries. They have lower energy density than the standard lithium ion batteries, but they have a better discharge rate even at high temperatures. They have bigger life cycle count, better storage life, and lastly and most important, they can handle extreme temperatures way better than the standard lithium ion batteries. They don't suffer from thermal runaway and generally they're incombustible even in a short circuit event. This is the content of the box, but let's take a look at the compressor itself. As you can see, we have on-off switch, LED display, and we can select between bars, kilograms per square centimeter or PSI. We have battery level indicator, plus and minus buttons for pre-selecting the desired pressure level up to, just a second, up to 4.10 bars. We have the button for the LED flashlight. It has several modes, and of course the button for starting the compressor. Now, something really disappointing, the clipping mechanism of this back compartment where the accessories of the machine are stored is extremely fragile, and I've managed to break it after the first opening attempt. So now I'll have to open it using a screwdriver. Really disappointing. And here are the pumping accessories. For now, I will need only the pumping hose. Interesting feature is that when the desired air pressure is reached, the pre-selected air pressure is reached, the compressor automatically shuts off. Let me demonstrate it to you. It's finally time to see the portable air compressor in action. As you can see, my tire is fully deflated. Its pressure, it's 0.3 bars. So let's start the compressor and see how it handles. And unfortunately, I'm really disappointed about this air compressor, guys. The battery died on the first tire and it's not even completely inflated. As you can see, there's no power at all. Really disappointed here. I will have to use my Parkside portable compressor to completely inflate my tire. That's it, guys. For me, this device is absolute waste of money. You cannot inflate even a single tire with it. It's only suitable for, I don't know, rubber toys, balls or bicycle tires. That's it all for me. If you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe.